State of emergency, war in the city. 3,000 Roxys, you buy your Bentley. Pick and roll, give and go, mind of my business. Pigeon toe, walk out the spot with a chick in the cell like all aboard. That boy slicker than olive oil. Bend it down, ain't rocking no time for it.
What it is, people, it's your boy, Mr. Flight Academy Kicks, aka Pastor Flight, Shield Flight, Flex Luger. Call me what you want, but you can't call me bro, because I'm Richard Christ, man. Back with another video for y'all on today, man. And real quick, bro, I just want to say, shout out to all my new subscribers, bro. Listen, man, we doing some things, man. We're doing some things, man. So I just want to, show my gratitude, show y'all that I really appreciate the, y'all hitting the subscribe button, man. It's like one of the hardest things to get y'all people to do is hit the subscribe button. So, man, thank y'all so much for doing that, bro. Just hitting the subscribe button for me, man. Let me get my camera right a little bit. There we go. All right, bet. So, man, I felt like over these last couple of weeks, man, it's been very good to do actual videos to kind of educate you guys on a little bit on stuff to do, man, to get some of these early releases, man. People are always complaining about, how like, dang, I never know about this. I never know about this. Nobody's telling us that. Everybody's just keeping it for themselves. So I'm going to keep dropping videos, give y'all information, man, about, how to get in tune with what's going on, man, how to stay tapped in, bro, because, listen, can't get lost in the sauce, man. You get lost in the sauce, you just lost forever, man. And we don't want that for y'all, man. So, I actually got news this morning, man, you know what I'm saying, that DTLR, man, they shot dropped the DMP 6s, you know what I'm saying? But apparently it was only for 40, it was only 40 pairs. So it wasn't a lot. So it wasn't like we missed a full stock. I don't think 40 pairs really scratched the surface of the release. I keep telling y'all that I think that All-Star Weekend is going to be a lot of sneakers, man. Like, listen, I've been to these All-Star Weekends every single year, man, before the YouTube, man. And I kind of wish I was doing it then, because now I would have had more videos. But if you tuned in last year when I first started YouTube, I did a Charlotte All-Star Weekend video. So you can go back there and kind of get in tune with, how All-Star Weekend is. You know what I'm saying? I was very detailed about what was going on. I showed y'all some of the early releases. And, I'm cool with a lot of people at All-Star Weekend, man. I'd be, like, really tapped in. Like, listen, one thing about Flight Academy, bro, I know how to network. Network is so key, bro. And actually, network is going to be very important. Networking is going to be very important aspect or key to what I'm about to talk to y'all about how to be alert when shot drops come, man. So the thing is, with shot drops, you have these Discord groups that you have to join, man. You have Discord groups that you got to join. A lot of times, like I said, I did a video on joining sneaker groups on Facebook. I get so much information from a lot of these sneaker groups, man, because there's always somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody, man. It's always in place, and it's always that thing. And you just got to be in tune and tapped in with them, man. Like I said, I got the news this morning. Well, first, let me just say I got the text message this morning from my boy Unbreakable. So y'all know Break always bringing the news, but you know what I'm saying? He's in tune. We in tune. We kind of in tune with some of the same people. Break know a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? He in Chi-Town. So, they always going to show love to Break. That's his city, man, Chicago. But, first I got the text from him like 4 o'clock this morning, like, yo, not Jimmy Jazz, DTLR, you know what I'm saying, just dropped like 40 pairs of DMPs. Now, I actually didn't get the cop because I was asleep, all right? So, I don't know about y'all, but I got a regular life that I live too, so I can't just be out early in the morning at 4 and 3 in the morning just looking at a computer, like, just trying to get some sneakers. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I be tired, bro. I be having to get ready for a work day, you know what I'm saying? And I got to figure out, like, all right, what video I'm going to do today, what I need to go to get this content. Like, I got a lot of stuff that I'll be working on, so I just don't just be dropping videos like that. But nevertheless, man, Break sent me the text, you know what I'm saying? Hey, DMP's dropping. Went on there. They were sold out. So they was pretty much going like in a few seconds. How the heck all these people was up at 4 o'clock in the morning, I have no idea. But listen, it was gone. But with the Discord group, they also sent out an alert as well. Say, hey, DTLR just dropped some pairs, man. Y'all go get them. Here's the link. And like stuff like that is what helps you be able to catch a lot of these shot drops. You know what I'm saying? Because these Discord groups actually pay for people to join their groups that they know have information to provide them with the information. You know what I'm saying? So that they can provide it to their people that pay for the services. And sometimes these Discord groups charge like $20 a month. Bro, you're gonna blow $20 on anything else. So why not invest the $20 in being able to get shoes early, or subscribe to the channels like mine, Break, Snipe, and everybody who be bringing the early news to y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? The shot drops, you just have to be on point, man. You always want to make sure that you got money in your accounts, okay? Got to make sure money in your account. You got to make sure your card is updated. You got to make sure that you clear any fraud alerts that may have been on your bank account, because a lot of times that stuff happens. People be catching the shot drops and they didn't do what they were supposed to do on their end with their bank accounts, and you go to try to press purchase and it declines it. And then you get that notice from your bank. We decline the transaction. Possible fraudulent activity, you know what I'm saying? You have to be on your P's and Q's when it comes to shot drop. Shot drop is big. They don't just shot drop any type of shoe. Sometimes they do shot drops on GRs, but the GR shot drop be like 3 weeks before the release, you know what I'm saying? So it's worth grabbing at that time. And plus a shot drop, you're gonna grab at retail. So any shoe that you can get early on retail is always a plus. That's always amazing. You gotta tap into that. So you gotta be prepared for these shot drops, man. You know what I'm saying? I always keep, quote unquote, my ear to the streets, man. I'm always like texting people. If I know releases coming up, hey man, you got any news? Any possible shot drops coming up? You know what I'm saying? Sneakers App is known for that, man. Like, I think, just, referencing Break Again, man, he always talked about how Nike Sneakers App is smart because they get rid of their inventory before anybody else. So them boys will shot drop in a minute, where if they know a shoe might sit or something like that, or they want to bring more attention to the Sneakers App, they'll shot drop that thing in a minute, man. So you got to be on point with it. And a lot of times, even when dealing with the Sneakers App, you know what I'm saying? We dealing with the shot drop on the Sneakers App, have your information filled in already, man. You know what I'm saying? Do what I do, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't have to wait to hit the purchase. I got the thumb scan, you know what I'm saying? Hit the thumb scan, boom. Check out, you know what I'm saying? Got my card ready. I got a card that's used just for sneakers. So I know that if I hit, it's going to pop up the alert saying, you just spent this amount of money with Nike. You feel me? So you got to be prepared when it comes to these shot drops, because you and everybody else is trying to get it. And it's the battle of the fingers, you know what I'm saying? Because everybody's trying to, let me get the card in real quick. Let me get this in real quick. Nah, man. Have that stuff prepared, man. Especially with February. I cannot stress it enough. February is going to be heavy, man. Y'all got to be prepared, man. You know what I'm saying? And honestly, this is my first time I ever seen DTLR do a shot drop. You know what I'm saying? If we even want to call it. It could be an early release for them. It might even have been an error, man. Because, I mean, they only dropped 40 pairs. So were they really teasing like, let's see what's happening? You know what I'm saying? It's not like the owner need to make a quick buck real quick. So he just dropped 40 pairs of the DMP 6s. And who's to say them orders might get canceled too? So that's another thing. I'm bringing the news to y'all as early this morning. It just happened this morning. So it's very well that if we can find out later that, look, man, I got the email say your order has been canceled. Or they might go through and actually ship some of the shoes. So, I think they're kind of like testing it out. But when you're dealing with the websites like that, man, you got to make sure your profile is up to date. I really hate buying from those websites. I'm going to keep it a buck with y'all. I hate going to footlocker.com. I hate going to footaction.com. I hate going to champsports.com. I hate going to socialstatus.com. I hate going to, when we had Rue Villa, I think it's all one with DTLR now, but RueVilla.com, Kicks USA, like all these different stores that have them, Soulfly.com. Like, I hate doing them on there because I never hit on those. I just feel like the process is so dragged out. And honestly, if you don't have a bot attached to it, them shoes are already gone. By the time you going in trying to fill in stuff, nah. So for me, I use my personal connections that I got with people and Sneakers App, man. That's the only two I tune in. But that's not to turn y'all away from those foot apps, because actually they might work for y'all. But for me, they just don't work, man. So, you know what I'm saying? So that's why when we're using the Sneakers App and staying on point with the Sneakers App, whenever the shot drop is available, I'm there, man. I'm there for it. Like, I'm not going to, like, waste any time with it, bro. Like, I'm there with it, man. You know what I'm saying? So, it's one of them things, man. Like, it's really one of them things you just got to be prepared for, man. So they dropped them this morning, only 40 pairs. So I'm ready to see. I actually saw some of the boxing for the actual DMP 6, so I think they're gonna be dope. But it's gonna be good to see. And as well, if y'all have not seen already, I'm gonna post a picture right here. Bomb, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to work on my little editing a bit, so hopefully it came in right at time. Hopefully it's still right here. But Z Sneakerhead, man, you know what I'm saying? Tap in with him too, because he be knowing stuff as well, man. Follow him on Instagram. Chicago exclusive. Red Cement 3s, bro. They got a Chicago exclusive. It's only going to release in Chicago. Then they got a pair that's going to be GR. Of course, the GR, I think the GR pair has the Nike Air on the back, if I'm not mistaken. And the other one has Shy on the back. You feel me? So I got the picture posted here, but I just want to check. Want to make sure there ain't nothing else on the back side of it, man. But yeah, Nike Airs on one on the GR pair, and then the other one's gonna have Nike and then have Shy under it. So that's gonna be fire. But you're gonna have to be in the city, man. It's a Chicago exclusive. You're gonna have to be in the city. Listen, I hope y'all ready for it, man, because it's gonna get crazy, man. And I think these might be a shot drop as well, man. So, like, listen, these sneakers are coming, bro. Y'all be prepared. Listen, Flight is trying to prepare y'all, man. February, do not play around, man. Like, listen, y'all work your overtime now, make your extra money you gotta make now, because the shoes are coming in February, man. I feel like a floodgate gonna be opening. You got to be prepared, especially with these shot drops. You gotta be prepared at any moment, man. You know what I'm saying? Another person that's good for shot drops is Yeezy Supply, man. Them brothers be dropping shoes 2 and 3 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta be in tune. If you know it's getting close to release date, check in with your Discord group before you leave. For some of y'all that's out there that's players, you probably can't do this, but have your phone. Have your alerts on, man. You know what I'm saying? Turn your phone volume on. Some of y'all don't want to do that because y'all got y'all own little thing going on. Hey, that's y'all, whatever. But I'm saying, have your alerts on, man. You know what I'm saying? So you can hear your phone when it go off. If the phone goes off 3 o'clock in the morning, might be a sneaker alert. You might just catch it, man. Yeezy Supply good for that. But yes, man, shot drops are going to happen. You got to be prepared. NBA All-Star Weekend, it's going to be shot drops everywhere. Honestly, man, if you can, make it out to the city because the shoes are going to be there. But you're going to have to be in the range. Man, y'all already know that it's already hard enough when you're in Chicago trying to get an actual sneaker. And you got to be within like 25 miles of the Nike building or the Jumpman store. Like, you got to be there, man. Charge your devices up and have them ready, man. But those red Cement 3s are fire, man. Like, I can't wait to get a pair of those. And I'm going to be in Chicago. So I ain't going for just the GR one. You know what I'm saying? The GR one, they already locked. I'm good on that. I want that Shy pair. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually want both of them. So we're going to be running up a check. You know what I'm saying? We're going to be running up a check. So we're going to be out there. And coach, I know I'm grabbing extra pairs and have your money right because, you know, we're going to be shipping them out ASAP, man. So be prepared for these shot drops, man. Like I said, just to recap with y'all, get in tune with a sneaker group. Get in tune with your sneaker YouTubers that you follow. Preferably me, hit the subscribe button. But, you know, get in tune with the sneaker YouTubers, you know what I'm saying? Keep your alerts on, make sure your accounts are ready, make sure your funds are set aside, you don't have any issues, and you gotta be quick, man. Whatever the quickest way for you to be able to check out, use those options, whether it be Face ID, using a thumb, like be prepared for that because shot drops are nothing to play, and people are getting very aggressive in the sneaker community, so you got to make sure that you on point, man. So you gotta make sure you're on point. So like I said, I'm gonna do a separate video of all the sneakers that's gonna drop All-Star Weekend. You're going to see that. I'm going to add in some tips on that. So just, you know, y'all just be prepared, be watching, be waiting for it. But I just want to throw this out there to y'all today. Let y'all know, man, like, listen, this was just a preview. Them DMP 6s dropping today were just a sneak peek. You ready? You ready? That's all it was today, man. So y'all got to be on point, man. You got to be on point. So it ain't no stopping from here, man. So that's it for today. I actually got to do 3 more videos today. I'm off today, so I'm going to be knocking out videos back to back. I'm trying some little different things. And, you know, we're going to mix this channel up a little bit, man. So until next time, let me go ahead and get out of here, man. Get to work and get what I need to do. Take flight with the flies, man. If you're flying, we just ain't flying right. Wait, before we end it, though, please make sure if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. And if you're not, follow me on IG, FlightAcademy_kicks with a Z. I'll also be posting news on there. I'll post news on there quicker than when I do a YouTube video. So you got to stay in tune. So if you haven't already, please make sure you follow me. You know what I'm saying? FlightAcademy_kicks with a Z. You know what I'm saying? So take flight with the flies and you're flying me. Just ain't flying right. Hustle and motivate. Long live Nip, man. We out.
It's all I'm trying to do. Hustle and motivate. Choppers a throwaway. Hustle.